Food gives us strength, nutrition, energy, and also enhances our body's immunity. It helps to nourish our body and maintain it for it to work properly. However, there are certain foods which are also referred to as superfoods. So what exactly are superfoods, and why have some foods been given the celebrity status of superfoods and have been elevated over other foods? What are some Indian staple foods which are very healthy and which are also referred to as superfoods because of their nutritional properties and which we must include in our daily diet? So to know more about it, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and ways to bring inner peace for a healthier lifestyle. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video updates from Lifestyle Speaks. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods which are very beneficial for our health and well-being. And also these foods are known to provide extra health benefits to our body, which helps reduce chances of many different medical conditions and also helps in preventing many diseases. So basically the superfoods are foods in their natural and pure form which are known to contain a range of macro and micronutrients which provides a lot of health benefits to our body and also helps reduce the risk of any diseases. These foods are also known to be free of toxins, chemicals, pesticides and hormones, and they also do not contain any unhealthy components such as cholesterol, bad fats, etc. There are many superfoods which you will find available in the Indian market like kale, avocados, blueberries, etc. However, all these foods are coming from the Western market. They are not your local traditional foods. But there are many traditional Indian foods which are very beneficial for our body and mind, and they have earned the superfood status. They are locally grown, easily available and affordable, and they have also gained a lot of popularity all over the world. So let us know about these local and traditional Indian superfoods which we must include in our daily diet for good health. The first Indian food that we all must eat daily for good health is amla. Amla, or the Indian gooseberry, is an original superfood which is translucent green in color. This fruit is loaded with vitamin C and it is known to contain 8 times more vitamin C than an orange, and this vitamin C is retained even when the fruit gets dried. It also has strong antioxidant properties which is twice that found in acai berry. Acai berry is also referred to as a superfood in the Western market, but amla is known to have stronger antioxidant properties than an acai berry. And this helps to fight common cold, build immunity, relieve pain and manage chronic conditions. It also helps to improve our eyesight and promotes hair and nail growth. Amla also improves body's metabolism and leads to faster digestion, which helps in weight loss as well. Amla is known to compose of proteins, fibers, vitamins, minerals, flavonoids, alkaloids and tannins, which provides them with their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, anti-cancer and therapeutic properties. And that is why health experts recommend consuming amla on a daily basis. The second Indian superfood that we must include in our daily diet is moringa or drumsticks. Drumsticks are popularly used in South Indian dishes like sambar and avial, and this vegetable is known to come from the Moringa oleifera plant, also known as drumstick tree. But do you know that other than the drumsticks, even the leaves and fruits of this tree are power-packed with nutrients and have medicinal purposes? Yes, that is true. And this is because they contain good amounts of iron, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, essential amino acids, fiber, vitamin A, C and D, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, flavonoids, quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Research suggests that moringa leaves can reduce cholesterol and blood sugar levels in our body and can also reduce inflammation, which is linked to many chronic health problems like heart diseases and cancer. The third Indian superfood that we must include in our daily diet is jaw or barley. Jaw or barley is also known to be a carbohydrate burning grain, which helps to burn fat, and it is very good for weight loss. It also has a low glycemic index, which means that consuming jaw or barley does not lead to a sudden increase in our blood sugar levels. Jaw or barley can be eaten in the form of cereals or rotis and chapatis, or they can be consumed in the form of barley water. And barley water is very good for our health. Drinking barley water every day can keep cholesterol levels in control and can also help to reduce our blood sugar levels. And that is why it is said to be a very good drink for diabetic patients. Also, the antioxidant properties in the barley water helps to fight free radicals in our body. The fourth Indian superfood, which we all must include in our daily diet, is jackfruit. Jackfruit is a tropical Indian fruit which has become a superfood in the recent times because of its impressive nutritional profile and because it is also known to contain every vitamin and mineral needed by the body along with a lot of proteins. The protein content in jackfruits is very high, and it is also loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, carotenoids and flavonoids, which leads to their strong health benefits. Jackfruit also has low glycemic index, which helps with blood sugar management, and its mucilage pulp also helps to boost our body's immune system, skin and vision function, and proper thyroid gland functioning. And you will be surprised to know that because of its great nutritional profile and because of its amazing health benefits, the interest in jackfruits in the international markets has grown a lot. And now there is more and more demand of jackfruits in the international market as well. The fifth Indian superfood which you all must include in your daily diet is ragi. Ragi or finger millet or nachni is a super grain which is known to contain all three parts of the kernel, which is bran, germ and endosperm. And it is loaded with fiber and calcium, and it's highly beneficial for our health, due to which it is one of the best Indian superfoods. Ragi or finger millet or nachni has many amazing health benefits, which you can check out in one of my previous videos, whose link I have mentioned in the description box below. The sixth Indian superfood that we all must include in our daily diet is ghee. Because of its high fat content, ghee has been overlooked by many of us, and many of us tend to avoid eating it. However, it has so many amazing health benefits that it provides to our body, due to which it is considered to be a superfood. Ghee is high in fat, but its regular consumption in adequate amounts can reduce cholesterol levels in our body, strengthen bones, enhance brain function, and balance hormones in our body. Ghee is also rich in antioxidants, and it allows absorption of vitamins and minerals from the foods that we eat, and it also helps to boost our digestive health. Also, they are a rich source of butyric acid, which helps to lower inflammation and boost immunity in our body. The seventh Indian superfood that we all must include in our daily diet is turmeric. Turmeric or haldi is already being used by all of us in Indian cuisine for making dals and curries. But other than being a key ingredient in cooking, turmeric also has a very important role in Indian medicine, because of which it is a superfood. Curcumin is a key ingredient of turmeric, which provides it with its many health benefits. It helps in detoxification of the body, enhances liver function, improves heart function, and treats inflammatory conditions in our body. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent which can help to build immunity and fight infections in the body. And it's a very effective remedy for common cold. Other than eating turmeric or haldi in your food, you can also add turmeric to a glass of warm milk, which is also referred to as golden milk, and have it before going to bed to avail all the health benefits of turmeric. All these foods or Indian superfoods which I have talked about in my today's video are economical, readily available, packed with a range of nutrients, and provides many health benefits to our body. And that is why it is important that we all include them in our daily diet if you have still not done so that we stay healthy and fit. So that's it for today. I really hope you find today's video useful and informative. And if you do so, don't forget to give this video a like. And you can also comment below to let me know of some other Indian superfoods that we must include in our daily diet. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so that they also can be aware of these Indian superfoods, so that they also can include them on a daily basis in their diet. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.